This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Becky Gordon. Open house Saturday 9/26 12 to 4 and Sunday 9/27 12 to 4. Beautiful colonial in the highly desired Bellamy Manor Estates neighborhood. Stunning kitchen with beautiful granite countertops and marble backsplash. Updated bathrooms. The backyard is a dream. Recent improvements include saltwater pool conversion in 2015 with new liner, pump and plumbing. A gorgeous stamped concrete patio surround with TREX decking and a new fence to complete this backyard oasis. House features new hand-scraped hardwood floors, HVAC, 2020, all-new vinyl siding, 2015, newer water heater, new driveway. More. A well-maintained home and a must-see. For more information,